straight out. This is one of our favorite ways to do a brisket here at the pit. We're doing up some white brisket, or what they call veal brisket. If you've never had veal brisket before, you definitely got to check it out. This here is about a 7-pounder. Ask your butcher. I'm sure he'll track one down for you. There's really no preparation at all to do a veal brisket, right? There's not much fat on it at all. And, every once in a while, just mop on some additional juices. Just something to do, right? Between beer breaks. We're just going to turn it around a little bit. Look at that moisture just dripping off. You know this is going to be good. Mop on some more of them juices. Lord have mercy, if you know what I'm saying. Now, won't take long. It's hard to wait, but it's always worth it on a brisket, right? Oh, man. Just when you thought we're done, we're not. Taking another beer break. Slathering on some more of the mop. Here we've got some apple juice and a little cider, some seasonings. Use what you like. And in a miracle of time, this white brisket is done. We were looking for an internal temperature of about 205 degrees, more or less, in there. Breaks down the collagen, any connective tissue, if there is much in a veal. And we're going to tin it, let it rest, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And this is what it's all about. Look at that white fat. That's what it's all about. That's like burnt ends, man. That white fat will melt in your mouth. And why do we call it the white brisket? You can see it. Looks like pork now, doesn't it? Got that smoke ring in there. Hoo-wee. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Talk about moist, talk about tender. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.